Very good morning to you, students. A very good morning. It's very chilling. And now, everybody is safe now. सारे अपने घर में अच्छे से हैं. Take care of yourself. Okay. बच्चे, your examinations dates have not been announced, but your portion has been given to you all. You know, you've got your portion for which is coming for your annual examination. Hope everybody is acquainted with their portion. सबको portion पता है ना? 2, lesson 1 and 2 is coming from the first term. So get yourself very much prepared with lesson number 1 and 2 from first term. सबको बताया गया था कि फर्स्ट टर्म के भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आएंगे एंड फ्रॉम लेसन फॉर एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन लेसन 1 and 2 इज कमिंग, है ना? तो रिवीजन हम लोगों ने एक बार किया है, विल डू इट अगेन, नो प्रॉब्लम. हम एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करेंगे इस लेसन को. टुडे विल डू द रिवीजन ऑफ लेसन 9 and 10, फ्यूल एंड कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर. ठीक है. So today I thought to give you something written work, so that when you're there in the class, only those who are writing, those who are raising their hands, they're getting the option of giving the answer. So abhi kya karna hai? I'm going to give you some written work. You do it and show the copy to me right now. Abhi ki abhi mujhe copy दिखाओ. और मैं randomly किसी को भी पूछूंगी. So everybody must participate and everybody's video should be open. Atika Iqbal, Aradhya Singh, आदित्य राज, नाम से पुकारूंगी तो सबका नाम पुकारना पड़ जाएगा. सो दोज हु आर नॉट हैविंग देयर वीडियोस स्टिल ओपन, आप ओपन करो, अदरवाइज यू विल बी इन वेटिंग रूम. ठीक है. तो रैंडमली मैं किसी से भी बोलूंगी टू शो मी योर कॉपी. तो गेट योरसेल्फ प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. आप कॉपी में फटाफट लिखिए. ठीक है. चलो, शुड आई स्टार्ट? उत्सव, आर यू रेडी? Utsav Rathore, are you ready? Maybe. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Should we start now? I'm going to share my screen. I shall be along with you people. I shall be also writing the question for you. मैं भी बोलने के साथ मैं लिख भी दे रही हूँ आपको questions in the whiteboard, so that it will be easy for you people to copy it down. है ना? आप ताकि copy कर सके questions को फटाफट. ठीक है. थोड़ा 3 क्वेश्चंस हम लोग करते हैं रिवीजन, एंड 3 क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आपसे देखते हैं. ठीक है. फर्स्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस, सेट अप फर्स्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस. मुझे अभी हैंड रेज बहुत कम लोगों को मिला है कि यू ऑल आर प्रिपेयर्ड. चलो, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द स्क्रीन विद यू पीपल. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप इसमें कुछ एनोटेशंस नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज अगर आपने एनोटेशंस करने हैं तो फिर ये मैं कुछ लिख नहीं पाऊंगी. तो nobody is going to touch the mobile. Okay, chalo. The first question, 3 questions at one time. और मैं आपको 5 minutes का समय दूंगी, आपको ये questions फटाफट लिख के दिखाने मुझे. First question. The questions are not very long one, so it will be easy for you people to write it. है ना? Start with the first question. State 2 harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. The very first question. I hope you people are honest enough so that you will not be looking for it in your copy, है ना? Honestly इसको लिखे. Don't look into the copy for the answer. Randomly मैं किसी से भी पूछूंगी. आपने अगर एक लिखा होगा तो एक का ही जवाब देना पड़ेगा, but you have to give the answer to me. Number 2. Why is acid rain harmful? And number 3, define the term air pollutant. Very easy question. Define the term air pollutant. Start writing these three question answers. Start writing it. First, write down the question. All of you, write down the question. These three questions. Utkarsh, you have raised your hand. Is there any problem? Do you want to ask me something? Aradhya saying, can you see the board? Is the board visible? Whiteboard visible? Since you have got बहुत बार आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होता है ब्लैक बोर्ड में, इसीलिए मैं व्हाइट बोर्ड पे लिख रही हूँ. आदित्य नमन अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board? आपको व्हाइट बोर्ड दिख रहा
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
चल ये तीनों
Yes,
क्वेश्चन,
ma'am.
ये तीनों क्वेश्चन लिखो फट जल्दी से. राइट डाउन दीस थ्री क्वेश्चंस.
Okay, ma'am.
And whosoever will finish the answer, he will show me his hand. मुझे दिखाएंगे. Will raise his hand so that I can see the copy. Just turn over the camera of your mobile. I'll check the answer there only. और जो भी क्लास में आज है, whosoever, I want everybody to write the answer. Darshita, video on करो अपना. Ashwini Sharma has written all the answers. He has raised his hand. Very good. Niyati, Mohini, Akshat and Ashwini. Akshat, you have raised your hand. क्या हो गया तीनों?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या था मैम?
Define a pollutant. 3 sentences
Thank
and
you, ma'am.
too much time for writing the question even. Define air pollutant. Ashwini Sharma again. What happened, Ashwini? बोल बेटा.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 छूट गया. मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बस रिपीट कर दीजिएगा एक बार.
Question number 2 was चलो मैं वापस स्क्रीन में देखती हूँ. What was question number 2? Why is acid rain harmful? State 2 harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Why is acid rain harmful? Define the term air pollutant. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Niyati Mohini has also raised her hand. Niyati, बोल बेटा, क्या बात है? What do you want to say?
मैम आई हैव कंप्लीटेड.
Very good. Very good. अच्छा नियति मैं देखती हूँ पहले बाकी लोगों को थोड़ा देख लूँ इसलिए क्योंकि then everybody will get the hints है ना? So don't show your copy right now. I'll be asking. ठीक है?
Yes.
You have written all the questions. Very good. Very nice.
यस.
Let everybody first finish the answers. Samriddhi, Anusha. Okay, she has also finished. Mohit Ranjan has also finished. Very good. Bhumi has finished. Yes, I can see you. Bhumi, you've also finished. Utkarsh Raj, Vanshika Sharma, very good. Very good. चलो Since Niyati has given the answer, she was the first girl who finished the answer. So Niyati is going to get the chance to show her copy. Niyati.
Ma'am, I have also completed.
Okay, first Niyati. Niyati, unmute yourself and show your copy to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, मैंने शेयर किया.
Two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. अश्विनी अपने आप को म्यूट करो बेटा. स्क्रीन तुम्हारा आ रहा
Okay,
है.
ma'am.
तुम्हारा स्क्रीन आ जा रहा है. नियति, you have to speak something to come on the screen. आप नहीं बोलेंगे तो स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ पाएंगे.
Of ultraviolet rays. Answer. Two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are: first, affect the growth of plants; second, cause eye and skin diseases in animals.
Okay, why are acid rain harmful? Acid rain harms the crop and reduces fertility of soil. It also damages the monuments made of marble. The impurities present in air is called air pollution. Very good. Chalo. Samriddhi can. Samriddhi, unmute yourself. Nidhi, mute करो अपने आप को. बोलो. Samriddhi, video on करो पहले. Turn your camera.
Excuse me, मैम.
हाँ.
मैंने आपसे फर्स्ट का क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए मैंने हैंड रेज किया था.
आप ये सोचो, हमने 3 क्वेश्चन लिखा, मैं 2 बार शेयर की स्क्रीन और आपको 2 बार में एक बार भी आंसर क्वेश्चन नहीं कंप्लीट की थी आपने. Anusha, give your answer. Show me your copy and give me your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your copy.
Two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are: it can cause eye and skin disease; it can affect the growth of plants. Acid rains are harmful because it damages the crops; it damages the monuments made of marbles.
It reduces the fertility of the soil. Very important. Define the term air pollutant. The impurities present in air are called air pollutant. Okay. Mohit Ranjan, show me your copy. कैमरा सही करोगे, कैमरा सही करो. It causes skin disease. It to animals. It can affect the growth of plant. Why is acid rain harmful? It damages the crop. It harms the monument. Movement. It is monument made up of marble. The impurities that make the air impure is called air pollution. Very good. Chalo. Utsav, show me your copy.
Yes, ma'am. Showing. State two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are:
Pollution लिख दिया हो तुम.
causes skin and eye disease.
Utsav. Question was ultraviolet and you have written air pollution. है ना? तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है? मुझे नहीं दी है स्क्रीन. है ना? Make it right. Causes skin and eye diseases to animals, affects growth of plants. Okay. And it is affects. E double होना चाहिए. Affect नहीं. Next, why is air acid and harmful? Because it reduces the fertility of the soil, damages the crop. It can also damage the monuments. Monument का spelling बताओ क्या लिखे हो?
Ma'am, MONUMENTS.
Good. Define the term air pollutant. The impurities present in the air is called air pollutant. Air pollutant, air pollution name. Utsav, it means that you are in habit of making careless mistakes. It is air pollutant, not pollution. When you're talking about impurities, it is pollutant. Am I right?
Impurities that make air impure is called
Utsav?
air impurity.
होना चाहिए? क्या होना चाहिए वहां पे?
मैम एयर पोल्यूटेंट.
Okay, make it right. Next, Bhumi, show me your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your copy. Next will be Vanshika, then Atyak Iqbal. Then Karthik and then Stan.
Two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are it can affect the growth of plants. Second, it can cause eye and skin diseases.
Good.
Acid rain is harmful because it damages the crop and reduces the fertility of soil. It also damages the monuments made up of marble. The impurities which impures the air are called air pollutant.
The impurities which makes the air polluted or impure the air is called air polluted. Whenever you ask such type of questions, na Bhumi, and or anybody else, those who are there in the class, everybody, whenever you're asked to define something like this, it is better to give the definition along with the examples. सही है ना? पता तो चले कि क्या impurities हैं. पता तो चले कि किस impurities की बात कर रहे हैं हम, है ना? So whenever you ask to give any definitions as such, so you must give it with an example. ठीक है Bhumi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vanshika Sharma, unmute yourself. Next is
Yes, ma'am.
next Karthik, Atyak, then Karthik, then Shan. And next Ashwini.
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा बेटा कैमरा सही करो, कैमरा बहुत तेजी है, थोड़ा सा बैक में जाओ. Yeah, two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are it causes the skin disease in animals, it harms the growth of the plant. Okay. And acid rain is harmful because it reduces the flavorability of soil. It also damages a monument made of marble. It damages the crop. It's ये बहुत important है. आपको direct जो है acid rain, it falls on the crop. So you cannot forget about crops. हम crop के बारे में नहीं भूल सकते. Okay. Soil तक तो बाद में
Okay, ma'am.
पहुंचे.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
it damages the crop. You must not forget to write. The dust and the germs present in air is called air pollutant. The way it is impurity, you have to mention this also. The dust and germs present in air, which makes the air impure, is called air pollutant. Vanshika, सही कर लो बेटा इसको. Atyak Iqbal,
Okay, ma'am.
mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Come here, copy बच्चा.
Sorry. Yes. State two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays affect the growth of plants, cows' skin, and eye diseases in animals.
Spelling of cause and disease both are wrong. C-O-U-S, no, C-A-U-S-E, cause. And disease, D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Both is wrong. Atyak, you have to pay attention on your spellings. The acid rain damages crop, reduces the fertility of soil, and it also damages the monument made of marbles. Impurities present in the air are called air pollution. No, the impurities present in the air are called air pollutant. Rectify both the questions. Karthik Sinha, unmute yourself. Show me your copy. Read out the question.
Ma'am, two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are
और पीछे ले
it
जाओ.
can stop the
कैमरा
growth
पीछे
of
ले
plants.
जाओ.
It can also cause skin disease. Acid rain is harmful because it can stop the growth of plant. It damages the monument made up of marble and damage the crops. It also reduces the fertility of air pollutant. The impurities present in the air is called air pollutant. Example, germs, dust.
Very good. Shan Abdullah, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
State two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are it can affect the growth of plants. Second, it also harms the skin and eyes of animals and humans. Second, why is acid rain harmful? Acid rain is harmful because it damages the crops and reduces fertility of soil and damages the monuments made of marble. Third, define the term air pollutant. The particles in air which pollutes the air is called air pollutant. Example, dust, soot, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc.
Very good. Ashwini,
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
State two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Two harmful effects of ultraviolet rays are affect the growth of plants, cause skin and eye disease in animals. Why is acid rain harmful? Acid rain damages the crops and reduces of fertility of soil. It also damages the monuments made by marble. Define the term air pollutant. The air having impurities is called air pollutant.
Okay, now see. अभी तक इतनी कॉपीज मैंने देखी, बाकी मुझे आप उसमें भेजें असाइनमेंट में, so that I can check the copies. एक चीज मुझे what I find is that कि बहुत बच्चे जो घर में हैं, you have lost your writing habit, है ना? आपकी राइटिंग हैबिट खत्म हो गई है. तो राइटिंग आपको मैम ने मौका दिया है, you're writing at home. आप कितनी गंदी हैंड राइटिंग में लिख रहे हैं, and so many spelling mistakes. Sure. So अभी क्या कर रहे हैं हम 5 स्पेलिंग आपको दे रहे हैं 5 words. All of you write it down and randomly मैं किसी से पूछ रही हूँ to show your copies. ठीक है 5 spellings. चलो first word जो मुझे दिखा है यहाँ पे अभी बहुत होगा गलत. Pollutant. Write the spelling of pollutant. Spelling of pollutant, all of you. Pollutant. Next word. Diseases. A very simple word, but many of you, अभी तक जितनी कॉपीज मैंने देखी, उसमें मुझे 5-6 कॉपी में मिल गई. Disease का spelling wrong. Diseases. Nobody is going to consult the book. Diseases. Ready? Third word. Third word. Maintain. Maintain. Next. Possible. Possible. And the last word. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Chalo, stop writing. Everybody stop writing. Stop writing. Akshat, मुझे 5 word बोलो. I'm going to write it on the board. मैं board पे लिख रही हूँ. So check the word. Akshat, I want the answers. All the 5 words. क्या क्या है बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
First word बोलो.
P-O.
First word
P-O.
बोलो. Akshat, tell me the word.
Pollutant.
Okay, it is pollutant. Pollutant. Is the word visible? दिखा आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Diseases.
Diseases. Did you get? Number 3rd.
Yes. Maintained.
Number 4th.
Possible.
Possible. And number 5th.
Photosynthesis.
Everybody else got the copy with them? Just check your copy. All of you check your copy. और जिसको मैं कह रही हूँ वो अपनी कॉपी शो करो मुझे. एक बार चेक करो. फर्स्ट यू चेक योर कॉपी. pollutant diseases maintain possible and photosynthesis. हमारा backward counting शुरू हो गया बेटा. Class, I've got the reminder for the class. चलो. समृद्धि ज्ञानदा राज अनम्यूट करो. मुझे बताओ तुम्हें 5 में कितने मार्क्स, कितने वर्ड सही हुए?
मेरे 4 वर्ड्स मैम, मेरे 4 वर्ड्स सही हुए.
अब सोच के देखो, जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट. मैंने आपको फिर 5 वर्ड्स दिए, उसमें भी आपकी गलती हो गई. चलो नेक्स्ट. आर्या मित्तल, शो मी योर कॉपी. आर्या मित्तल अनम्यूट करो. शो मी योर कॉपी. शो मी योर कॉपी. डोंट टेक टू मच ऑफ टाइम. कितने सही हुए?
मैम 5.
गुड. नेक्स्ट.
थैंक यू.
श्रेया अनम्यूट करो. श्रेया अनम्यूट करो.
मैम.
शो मी योर कॉपी. हाउ मेनी राइट?
मैम 5.
गुड. काटे क्यों लिखना पड़ा?
क्या मैम?
आपने काटा क्यों वर्ड को? एंड देन यू हैव रिटन व्हाई? रश्मि, शो मी योर कॉपी.
मैम ज्यादा दो.
रश्मि, शो मी योर कॉपी. अनम्यूट करो. शो मी योर कॉपी. शो मी योर कॉपी. कैमरा बैक कैमरा करो. बैक कैमरा ऑन करो. रश्मि कुमारी, क्या आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है? आप बैठ के नेल्स चबा रहे. अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को. बैक कैमरा से कॉपी दिखाओ मुझे. टाइम वेस्ट कर देते. दक्षिता, शो मी योर कॉपी. अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
शो मी योर कॉपी. कितने सही हुए तुम्हारे?
Ma'am, 5.
ओके. जिनके बच्चों के एक भी वर्ड गलत हुए, they will write it 10 times. All of you, those who have got it wrong. ठीक है? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट ओनली वन क्वेश्चन. अब आपको लिखना है ओनली वन क्वेश्चन. लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू राइट इट. जो पहले लिखेगा उसको एक इमोटिकॉन्स मिलने वाला है क्लास में. उसको मैं क्राउन दूंगी आज जिसने इस लेसन इस क्वेश्चन को फटाफट मुझे लिख के हैंड रेज किया. देखो कौन करता है. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इज नाइट्रोजन इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्लांट्स? लिखो साफ साफ. हाउ इज नाइट्रोजन इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्लांट्स? आशुतोष, यू नॉट राइटिंग बेटा. क्या हो गया आपको? लिखने का मन नहीं कर रहा है क्या? आशुतोष अनम्यूट करो.
मैम लिख तो रहा हूँ.
लिख रहे हो?
यस मैम.
पहला क्वेश्चन तीनों लिखा था आपने?
यस मैम.
अभी लिखाओ. क्लोज लाओ, क्लोज लाओ, क्लोज लाओ कॉपी. कैमरा की क्लोज लाओ. मुझे सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन घुमाओ. आंसर घुमाओ. ओके चलो गुड. जल्दी देखिए, जल्दी देखिए इस आंसर को. हाउ इज नाइट्रोजन इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस, फॉर प्लांट्स? सारे बच्चे हैंड रेज जो किए वो लोअर कर लो, तब पता चलेगा कि आपने पहले लिख लिया. क्योंकि फर्स्ट थ्री क्वेश्चन वाज गिवन बाय नियति. शी वाज द फर्स्ट टू रेज हिज हैंड. हर हैंड, सॉरी. भी हैंड रेज नहीं, पहले हाथ नीचे कर लो. आशुतोष म्यूट करो अपने आप को. हाउ इज नाइट्रोजन यूजफुल फॉर प्लांट्स? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और ये क्वेश्चन शायद ही कभी नहीं आता है, कि हर बार एनुअल में आता है ये क्वेश्चन, हाउ इज नाइट्रोजन, क्योंकि इस लेसन का बाकी लेसन्स जो भी क्वेश्चन है दे आर वेरी कॉमन, बट ये ही एकमात्र अनकॉमन क्वेश्चन है जो आपको जानने वाली बात है कि हाउ इज नाइट्रोजन यूजफुल. अक्षत has raised his hand first. Okay, very good. बोलो अक्षत, how is nitrogen useful?
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, very good. चलो अक्षत पहले बोलने दो. उत्साह, बात हो रही है, आवाज आ रही है बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
For their proper growth.
That's all. Only one line answer. Chalo, next, who had given the raise hand? Satyam bolo. One line
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. Nitrogen is yes, ma'am. Nitrogen is important for plant. Nitrogen is important for plant for their growth, but plant cannot absorb this nitrogen directly. The bacteria present in soil help to convert nitrogen into its specific form like ammonia and nitrates. Plant absorb this nitrate ammonia and send it. The plant's root absorb this nitrogen.
Satyam, you are supposed to write and then say, have you written the answer?
No, ma'am.
Then what is this? What I said, first you complete, written, write it and then show your, raise your hand.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, Bhumi, बोलो, show me your copy. पहले copy दिखाओ, on screen copy होनी चाहिए. Okay, now read what you have written.
Ma'am, nitrogen is important for plants for their growth, but plants cannot take nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. The bacteria present in the soil help to convert nitrogen into its specific forms like nitrate and ammonium salt. The roots of plants absorb the nitrogen-rich salt and spread it to the parts of plants for their growth.
Think of it. This is what the answer is all about. How is nitrogen important for plants? What I saw is that since you have learned the answer, you are giving the answer like this only. आपको कहा मैंने कि write it down. आपकी writing practice खत्म हो गई है. सात्विक, अगली बार से आंसर लेने के पहले लिख लेंगे उसे, जब आपको लिखने की बात हो रही है, ठीक है? So how is nitrogen useful for plants? नाइट्रोजन हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में 78% है, सबसे ज्यादा. इसके बावजूद the plants cannot take it directly from the air. है ना उत्सव? Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. हमारा composition of air है, 78% नाइट्रोजन है, only 21% ऑक्सीजन है, क्योंकि हम डायरेक्टली अपने ब्रीथिंग सिस्टम में लेते हैं. But nitrogen being 78%, plant cannot take it. जबकि plants को इसको जरूरत है for the growth. तो ये क्या करता है? The soil में जो bacteria is present है, the bacteria is present in soil convert this atmospheric nitrogen. इस atmospheric nitrogen को पकड़ता है and they convert it into ammonium salts or nitrates, जो कि as a mineral root absorb करता है and send to the parts of the plants for its growth. So it is very important, found in ample, but the plants cannot take it directly. तो इसके लिए responsible क्या होता है? The bacteria which are present in the soil. Now tell me, if the plant does not grow on the soil which is rich in nitrogen, which is not very rich in nitrogen or lack in nitrogen, how do they get their nutrition from? Where do they get their nutrition from? Bol.
Ma'am, they get the nutrition from insects.
Good. So if the plants do not get the proper nitrogen or nitrates or ammonium salts, they become insectivorous plants. Okay, we'll continue with it tomorrow also. हम कल इसको continue करेंगे, composition of air, because it's a very important chapter which is coming here for your annual examination. ठीक है? और कल हम वापस से आंसर्स आपको लिखवाएंगे ही और स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे, ठीक है? सो